First semester, final exam review, page 3. Name the plane represented by the top of the box. Okay, well, this would be the top of the box right here. So usually you name the corners, you don't name the things in the middle. So you just name the corners. So A, D, C, B. Find BD. Don't just come over here and say, oh, I found BD right here. So I need to go from this point to this point. This means distance here, in case you forgot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once again, I step off. So this is 1, and I count 1 right where you were at. So 12. So AD is equal to 12 units. All right. If T is the midpoint of SU, find value of X and ST. The diagram is not to scale. All right, so I got to find from S to U. That means I need to find ST and add TU to it to find the whole distance. So this amount plus this amount equals the whole thing. So in this problem, it says find the midpoint. So sorry. So that means this is in the middle. T is in the middle. So that means this line segment is equal to this line segment. So sorry. So 3x is going to equal 2x plus 15. Subtract my smaller x. So that'll give me x then is equal to 15. All right, so ST, I got to find ST. ST then is going to equal 3 times 15, which is equal to 45. So ST is equal to 45. Next one, if angle BOC, so come down in and label what they're talking about. BOC, that's this angle here, is 32. And AOC, the whole thing, is 60. I got to find angle AOB. So the whole thing is 60. This much is only 32. So I got to take the 60, subtract the 32. And that becomes 28. So angle AOB is going to equal 28 degrees. If the measurement of DEF is 130, DEF, this is 130. Again, I can't emphasize, come in and draw and mark up your picture. What is FEG? FEG. Well, these two form a straight line. A straight line is 180. I'm going to take the 180, subtract 130. And so then that means angle FEG then is going to equal 50 degrees. And what is the measurement of HEG? HEG. HEG is this angle here. These two angles are vertical angles, and vertical angles are equal. So HEG then is going to equal 130. Based on the pattern, what are the next two terms of the sequence? Well, it looks like the top stays 9. So 9 would be the top. And this is 2, 4, 8, 16. Looks like you're taking the bottom number, the previous bottom number, and multiplying it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 times 2 would give me 32. And then the 9 would stay the same. And I would take the 32 and multiply it by 2 and get 64. All right. Chapter 2, slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope, which is, again, your rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Those are all slope. And the b is your y-intercept, where it crosses your y-axis. Your point slope is going to be y minus y1 is going to equal m, which is your slope, times x minus x1. And this means your slope. And the point is going to be x comma y. And your standard form is ax plus by equals c, where c is a constant.